This week we work with the construction, testing, and execution of code in SQL. In the assignment, we are asked to perform the following tasks. The first is insert the following new client to the clients table. This is the value with the insert in the table's client. Go. This is the code. I use the clause insert into the client's name of the columns in the values of each column of the row. Go to continue. File inserts. Client. I go. Just inserts each time run the code, each insert the file with this value. Okay. Database PH motor, SQL. The second task is modify the Tony Star record to change the client to 3 for the PH model. And this use close update client set client level equal 3 with client ID. Okay. Continue. Zero affect because after is change client right here, right? Because I select client ID 1, change the level 1, 2, 3. Page model, SQL. Three activities modify the Gene Homer record to read special integer rather than small integer using a single query. Go. Use update inventory set invent description. Replace invent description. Say after a small integer to change to a space integer where in ID 12. In inventory. To 12. This gives you the spacious integer, is the change. After say small integers, now space integers. The next task is use an inner join to select each model field in the inventory table and the classification name field for the classification car classification table. Well, go to the for select model from inventory inner join Clark classification on inventory that classification ID. This is element in common in inventory in car classification equal car classification ID where inventory classification 1. Okay. This is a show 3 element after 4 element, but the 5 activity is delete the column 1 in the inventory. Is go to inventory. This EID 1 is delete. Okay. Database PH model. Delete Jeep Ranger for database. Update all record inventory table. Add PM module to beginning the file path in the image in the terminal column using single query. Where? Right here. PH model. This is the code. update inventory set image concat phmodel invade image invade to nail concat phmodel invade to nail. Because I run sometimes go to add phmodel after image, after the directory of image, right here. Okay. Copy the code and go to folder SQL. I create folder SQL and the file enhancement 2 and paste right here. I create a folder library. In this library, fill a new file connection phmodel. Okay. In this, go to the open this function, but intentionally change this because this failed in this connection with and the folder view with 500 PHP. Yeah. When the fails or error in the page, charge this page. In this exist connection, PHP and in this folder. Okay, that's it. This is the activity enhancement 2 in this week 3. Thank you very much.